Going to need to mark this out correctly and prepare the blank is a steel rule, a pair of compasses, a marking gauge, centre punch, a hammer, a smoothing plane, tenon saw. So the first thing I want to do is I want to find the centre on the end grain of that bit of wood. We're going to use a tried and tested method of drawing a diagonal line from corner to corner. And we'll use the pair of compasses to draw as big a circle as I can, just using these marks to construct an octagon. To remove the corners, right, we're going to pop it in the vise. To make it easy for yourself, hold the blank on its corners. So it's now at an angle. I've got my smoothing plane, and I'm just going to begin to plane off the corner. Quite often as you're planing, you'll press a little bit harder on the toe than the heel, which means you plane off more at the front than the back. Stop, flip it round, and then plane it from the other side, and that just keeps all the corners the same. And there's only two last things to do. I take my centre punch, I take my hammer, and we're going to mark the centre. We know it's in the right place, and then it's just a small tap, crossbeam hammer or the claw hammer. And then we move it around to the other side, give it a little tap. Okay, so we've marked the centres on both sides. On one of the ends, I'm going to take a tenon saw and I'm going to cut a kerf, which is just a slot. The tenon saw on the line, bring it back down onto the material. Okay, and that's the driving fork's going to bite into that and drive it round.